What's up, everybody? We're back at it again today with a POV video. Today we're gonna be actually taking out the BMW 750Li. We did an in-depth review about it a few days ago. Now we're back at it today with a POV. So stay with us. Let's get in depth with the 750Li today here on Charleston Car Videos. All right, everybody, let's get in beast mode today. Take a look at the 750Li, see what it's all about. You know, it's got that big body, twin turbo. Oh man, this is what it's all about today here on Charleston Car Videos. So let's go ahead and hop in, take a walk up, and see what it's all about. Got the tinted windows, got the long wheelbase. Oh man, let's check it out a little bit before we actually get in and start driving. Interior's looking pretty flossy in here. Nice big long door. I mean, look how massive that door is. Interior's looking pretty good. I'm loving this color on the inside. Got a nice kind of beige, kind of a whitish color beige. See how quiet it is on the inside considering the big road is out there. Oh, I'm liking this. And look at all the leg room we got. Tons of leg room. Okay. Got our armrest here. I mean, you can really just kind of sit back and relax. You can do this number here, open that up, take a look. Oh yeah, hey ladies, you know, I mean, you got all that going on. You got your handles. I mean, this is definitely the creme de la creme of big body cars. It really is. Especially with a price tag of under $10,000 at $9,995. Whoa, that's a deal for a car like this. I believe it only has around 100,000 miles. It's a 2009. So anyways, with no further ado, let's get up into the front seat there and take it for a ride. You know, the only thing that's kind of weirded me out about this car is grabbing up here. I'm so used to grabbing a handle or grabbing there. This is getting some used to right there. It's real sticky up behind there, which is kind of, ew, look at that. It's kind of gross. Got a lot of grease and something really icky, sticky going on behind there, which is not good, man. That doesn't feel nice. And then if you touch back there and touch the interior, you're gonna get stuff dirty in here. So anyways, let's go ahead and put our foot on the brake, start her up. It seemed like it took a second to crank, you know, a little bit longer than maybe normal. Definitely got this piece is broken in here, if y'all noticed that or not. Okay, looks like down there something's going on in there as well. A lot of little screws and trash and stuff broken in there, which is not good. Okay, I believe that's your cup holders there. It should, it's kind of a weird way it opens up though to put a cup in there, right? Anyways, again, it probably would cost an arm and a leg just to fix that. And then you open this up, got your cigarette lighter in there. But again, this really drives me nuts. I mean, such a beautiful car, but then got that broken. These open up like this. Still got that old school phone thing going on, which I really don't understand. I never really have understood what this stuff is. I mean, you know, I mean, to be in 2009, why were they still rocking this old school phone technology? I do not know. It does got an auxiliary, a USB, and a power outlet, but why is that there? It does got a trunk button here. Okay. Anyways, we'll just take our key and put it right there. Looks like it's got heated and cooled seats, and there that goes again, braking. All right, we're just gonna kind of, man, no, stop it. Anyways, let's go ahead and put our seatbelt on. Now we got something up here saying adaptive headlight malfunction. So you have adaptive headlights on the car that pivot with you when you're going around corners with your steering wheel. So something's going on with that. Nav looks like it's working pretty good. You got your iDrive system here. We're gonna go ahead and hit navigation, put it in full screen, hopefully. There we go. Let's see if we got a backup camera. Okay. Yeah, camera's there. You got the guidelines. They move with you when you're turning your steering wheel, which is nice. So all that's good. Let's go ahead and back her out. Let's see if we can close that for a minute. I can feel the cooled seats working right now, so that's nice. Let's see how she drives. We have mileage is 116,844 on a 2012, actually 2009 7 Series. All right, let's see how she rides. So far, feeling pretty good. Nice and quiet in the cabin. Power feels nice. Definitely pulling to the right. Could be the road. I don't know. Definitely very comfortable on the inside for sure. I mean, it's a very nice, relaxing car to drive when traveling, going to business meetings, whatever it is you're doing, back at home from work every day. This is like sitting in a piece of luxury, okay? Very calm and relaxing. If you're sitting in traffic, it's just going to be a lot more or less stressful type of car to drive. Until the service bill comes around, then is when the stress will come. So far, feeling pretty good though. Let's pull her in and see what we got going on under the hood. It's definitely probably the nicest car on the lot right now. You know, there's not a whole lot of cars out here that will compete with a 750Li. You know, most of the stuff we have right now out here is just cheap little cash cars, but it's nice to see that we got something like this on the lot to show people if they're interested in buying a nice little piece of luxury. Let me know, guys, what you think. Is it worth spending $99.95 on it? I think so. That price seems really great to me. But let me know in the comment section what y'all think for an 09 BMW 750Li with 116,000 miles. There we go. See you later. Like, comment, and subscribe.